punati papa Tope dogo begeno.
Sorry. Nǹkan yẹn ó mú ẹ. Baba Tope, where do you get this dozen of spoon from?
They're all based on doctor's recommendation.
Doctor recommend spoon for you. For your cup. Hey, Baba Tope.
Woman, look, I don't have time for your argument this time. I don't just have the time, eh? This is the instruction the doctor gave her.
Oh, where's my glass? Eh? 10 spoons. 3 times a day. To be taken for 30 days.
You see, you read it yourself. 10 spoons 3 times a day to be taken for 30 days. Simple arithmetic.
I'm coming, Baba Tope.
Simple arithmetic.
10 times 7. 70 times 30. Hey! Baba Tope, you need to buy more spoon.
More spoons.
Eh?
I have enough here now. Oh, yeah, if you mean it,
Baba Tope, hold it. Baba Tope, 30 days now. Hey! Baba Tope, sorry.